Hi everyone, I'm Saksham Pandey from 4th class. So today we are going to study frequently asked 11 question part 3. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel before moving on. And how is the Josh? I think it's high. Now, who is the first man who introduced printing press in India? So let's think if we can. But I think that you can if your GK is strong. So it is James Hickey. As you can see his image, picture, and you have James Augustus Hickey. So he was an Irishman who was launched in the first printed newspaper in India, in Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Okay, and he was born on 1740 in Ireland and died on October 1802, and nationality Irish, residence in Kolkata in India. Who is first Indian airline pilot? So let's think. Yeah, so she is Durba Banerjee, and you can see her image, picture. She was the pilot, was the first pilot of the Indian Airlines and she was the first woman commercial pilot. And you can see her image, picture. First Indian received Bharat Ratna. Who received first Indian who received Bharat Ratna was Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, and you can see his image. So he has a mode, you can see, a life. I should back it some. Yeah. So a life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science. Now you have got a good code. B. Answer the all questions and happily and keep a good knowledge, as we are here, so you don't need to worry. So Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. So he was born on 5 September 1888 and he was dead on 17 April 1975 in the age of 86. He was the Indian academic professor, philosopher and politician who served as the first Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962, and he was the second President of India. And because of him, we celebrate in Teachers Day on 5 September every year. And you can see his image. So, first Indian woman to get Bharat Ratna. Now, that was the person of a boy. Now, she is a woman. So, who is she? Let's think. If your answer is Indira Gandhi, so you are correct. So, you can see her image. She was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. And she was born on 19 November 1917 and death on 31 October 1984 in the age of 66 by her bodyguards. Okay, so and she was the Prime Minister between 1966 to 1977 and to 1980 to 1984. Total the age more than 15 years. She has been president she was the Prime Minister of our India country. So first speaker of the Lok Sabha. So who is the first speaker of Lok Sabha? Let's think. So he was Vasudev, Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar, and you can see his image. He was born on 27 November and in 1888, and he was died on 27 February 1956, and he became the first speaker of the first Lok Sabha formed after the elections. I have told that was only the question. Okay, so now let's study more. So first Indian woman teacher. So who is first Indian woman teacher? It is Savarati Bhai Phule, and you can see her image. Yeah. So let's proceed. Now Savarati Bhai Phule was an Indian social reformer, educationalist, and the poet from Maharashtra. And he was born on 3 January 1831 in Satara district, India. Died on 10 March 1897 in Pune, India. And you can see, take the screenshot. I think you have taken the screenshot. So who is the first Home Minister of India? Let's think. Yeah, so he is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is also known as Iron Man of India. Yeah, so you can see his statue. Born on 31 October 1875, and he was died on 15 December 1950 in the age of 75. First Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Who is the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest? Let's think. So she is Chandri Pal, and you can see her picture with the president of our India. Yeah. So she was born on 24 May 1954, and she was in the age of 66. She is living now also. She is still living, and who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Now she was awarded the third highest civilization of Padma Bhushan, and now let's see her awards. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest twice? Let's think about her. So she is Santosh Yadav, and you can see her image. Now let's proceed. She was born on 10 October 1967, and in the age of 53 she is still living. The first Indian woman to win gold medal in Asian Games. Let's think. So she is Kamaljeet Sandhu, and you can see her pictures. Yeah. So she is a former Indian woman athletic who won a gold medal at the 1970 Asian Games for the 400-meter race. Oh, we are proud of our women who does well for our country. So it participated in the 1972 Olympics also, and she got the Padma Shri Award in 1971. So who is the first Indian woman to win WTA title? Okay, so let's think. So she is Saina Mirza, and you can see she is playing tennis. Let's proceed. Yeah, so she has got many awards. So Arjuna Award, WTA Newcomer of the Year, Padma Shri, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, BBC list of 100 inspiring woman and Padma Bhushan NRI of the year in the year of 2014 and lost and lost. So she was born on 15 November 1986. She is still living and she plays tennis. And she is the number one woman in our India who plays tennis. So, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon segment below and please write the valuable comments in the comment section below. Bye bye. See you next